welcome to Anne-Marie's Workshop. My name is Anne-Marie and I love to make things with joy. If you like to make things with joy, then you have found the right place. Please like, subscribe, and share. Welcome to my hashtag Friday Sews video. That is the weekly video I make along in conjunction with this sewing creator group on Facebook on kind of reporting what I've been up to for the week. I've been doing lots of stuff this week, but I've been having a great time doing it. So this is time to find out what the forum topic is. Okay, the forum topic this week is, how many county fairs happened this month in the U.S.? Do you make anything to exhibit? Did you do this when you were younger? Nope, doesn't apply to me. No, I love a fair. I love going there. I like how they attempt to fry anything. And I love walking around and seeing the animals and stuff like that. And we had the Denby Fair here, but I did not participate in county fairs. Most of my growing up was New York, Canada, Houston, but I didn't really participate in a lot of fairs. So I guess that opens up for me to talk about my Sew Reversible challenge, which has been going on for the past 18 days. It has been so much fun. I have come up with so many different things that I had not originally planned to make reversible. I'm in day 4 of the August18th. Y'all, like I said, I'm done with sleeves until this heat lets up. I'm done with them, and it has made such a difference. I have been comfortable for the past 4 or 5 days. Because the heat is just so amazing. Anyway, so other than that, let me show you some of the things I have been cutting out. One of the things I did the most was to make sure that I was posting videos every day, shorts, Instagram, about my Sew Reversible 2023 challenge. So that's kind of like a full-time job, but still I had plenty of time for some other things. So I finished a few things, I cut out a few things, and I'll show you some of those. One of the things I worked on this week is I got this really lovely pattern from, see if I say this right, the ladies of Cadia, Les Loubs de Cadia. Les Loubs de Cadia. My French is terrible, y'all. Anyway, I've got this beautiful shirt I will show you over here. And I know a little French, and so I ordered the PDF. And this seems to happen to me with every PDF. Since I moved out of the country, PDFs have been a boon to me because I can see something really wonderful that I want to work on, and I can immediately download it. And I've used every scrap piece of paper that was in my parents' home. I have used every single, there is no scrap paper left in here. I have used old everything. It's all gone because I printed it off for PDF patterns. So now I'm on fresh paper. I'm actually having to buy paper. So I want to show you something that happens to me every once in a while, and I can't figure it out. All right, this is a typical taping my PDF together. I printed it out at 100% grade so that there wasn't anything wrong. And this happens every time. Everything is lining up perfectly according to the dots and the number. And then I come down here and I get something like this. These lines don't line up. Happens every single time. Now you notice the whole rest of the pattern pieces are in perfect scale, line up perfectly. What's going on over here? I can't figure out if the scale is wrong, my printer's wrong, if I'm wrong. I don't know exactly what's going on, but it seems to happen on most patterns, PDF patterns. Now every once in a while, most of the time, it's something easy, like I could just shift it a little bit and fudge it, you know, it wouldn't make that much of a difference, but every once in a while, something big like that happens. So I just wondered if y'all wanted to share if that happens to you. People who do PDF tape togethers, just let me know, put it in the comments. Patterns that I cut out is Vogue 8897. I will just have to find the picture for you. I don't know where it is at the moment, but I got this fabric from Fabric Mark. It's called Cheeky Monkey. Oh my goodness. It's the brightest yellow and white. 100% cotton with an embossed finish to it. And I am going to make the bias piping. I can't wait to do it. I think it's going to be a beautiful resort dress, party picnic dress. And so that's one of the things I cut out. I had enough left over for another Anthea blouse. You know how I love those. If I have scrap left over, now that one I had to finagle to get all the pieces on, but I like that. Now, I also had scrap fabric. A lot of these are scrap makes because I finished something big and I had leftover. And I made this shirt, and I will show a picture of it over here. And it walked away with my daughter. It is McCall 7838. And I will show you the pattern somewhere over here. And me wearing the shirt, well, that one's gone. So I had some fabric left over from the duster pattern that I released this week. And I had this soft sheet linen left over. Not linen, but like sheeting. And I cut one of that pattern out again to have that shirt because I really, really liked it. I think I want to do black accents with it, maybe on the facing pieces or something like that to really make that fabric pop. All right, and then the next thing, okay guys, bear with me. I have been hemming and hawing with this pattern for the longest time. It is the Barrel Bomber Dress by Named Patterns. I've been waiting, y'all. They have been upgrading their size range on all their patterns little by little. They have not made it to the barrel yet. I've been waiting because I love a bomber. I saw this bomber dress. I was not a size 14 when I bought this, had no business buying it, but I felt I could work with it. I made it once. I think I'll show a picture of you here, of it here. Because it was made with that lightweight Ankara, and it didn't have that pow that I wanted it to have. So while I was on Temu, y'all, I'm gonna probably have to go in some kind of 12-step program to get over the Temu thing. And they had the zipper I was looking for, and it is well made, and even the tab has the diamonds on it. So I have this brocade fabric that I got from Pings. Why do they need that brocade fabric here? It's too hot. Anyway, so I have this beautiful fabric that I want to make that bomber dress in. All right, so you know, y'all don't even talk to me. No, I don't have anywhere to wear it to. But I once had a life where all these things I'm making, I had some place to wear them to. I had that life, so that's okay. I'm going to step out on faith that one day I'm going to have that life again, and I'm going to need some clothes. Now, in the spirit of back to school, how many of y'all remember this bolster that you had on your bed, on your bunk at college, away school, whatever you were into? I do. I remember I had one in corduroy. And I love it because those of you who like to read in bed, I'm one of those people. I want to make one of these. So I had leftover scraps from my duster. That unusual shape left some good scraps. So it was that beautiful Ankara, the blend, the one with the polyester and the nylon and the spandex, and with the beautiful print on it. So I want to make one of those bolsters for my bed because I'm always trying to read on the side. It's not working out. So I think that's it. That's all I cut out. Let me show you what I finished. Now, I finally finished the robe for my McCall's 8245, one of my favorite patterns, and I did it in this dreamy light blue and vibrant color. It is so soft and smooth, and so I finished the robe finally at last. You know, I had to send off for another pattern because I lost the neckband, and I tried to simulate it. I rubbed it off of my other ones, didn't set right and everything, so I ordered it again, and the minute I finished it, I found the 2 pattern pieces tucked in another pattern, folded up very nicely in the wrong envelope. That's how it is. So I finished this one up this week. I've already worn it because it's hot during the day, but it's cool at night. All right, so now the next thing I finished was the kimono in Vogue 1746 because I had leftover fabric of that beautiful net fabric with the beautiful embroidered flowers, the 3D embroidered flowers. And so I finished up the kimono that goes with it. Let's see if I can show you the edge. I will model it for you in my makes video. And I added, because it was so sheer at the cuff, I added a faux chatung cuff around either side to give it more weight. It was just supposed to be a fold up and sew, but it wasn't substantial enough. But I do believe I might have to come back and redo this neckband. It feels like it does not have interfacing in it. I think they did not include interfacing in it, but with this mesh fabric, it needs the weight of interfacing. I stitched this, I don't know y'all, I stitched this on a tiny stitch. This is going to require a whole movie to take this thing out. Anyway, but I think I'm going to do it because I'm really pleased at how it came out. It's beautiful, it's beautiful. All right, I have a teeny haul that I'm probably going to insert here. Some things I got that are practical for stuff I'm making. I think I got some fusible, like the small fusible web, and you saw the zipper. Not too much this week. It's not too bad. I got some of the black lace that I had bought before to finish a lingerie outfit. It is 3 yards for $4.48. It has a little bit of a stretch to it. I also picked up these 7-inch, 8-inch zippers that were multicolored with this interesting ring, not separating. 20 pieces for $6.69. I think since then it's gone up to $7.78, but that is not bad. They give you 2 of each color combination. Oh, there it is. So 10 of different combinations. And since I like to do a lot of things where the zipper is exposed, I really liked the possibilities. The colors are very pleasing. You can't beat the price point. Even at $7.78, that's 20 zippers for $7.78. Let's see, I'm trying to show you all the colors. And finally, my fusible web also came in from Temu. This is, I believe, 1 inch wide, and it is 1 roll, $2.48 for 70 yards. And then I got this very thin one for 98 cents. It was also 70 yards. And the black, which I believe is 1/2 inch, and it was $1.98 for 70 yards. All right, keep cool this summer. If you are from our great state of Hawaii, my prayers are with you, and my donation to the American Red Cross is with you as well. So I'm hoping that the sorrow and the pain from that whole experience is starting to come behind you all. All right, so everyone else, take care, sew reversible, and we will see you next Friday.